Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to recover your disabled Facebook account. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for recovered disabled Facebook account. So we can see this website over here, so let's tap on this. Now we need to enter our login email address or phone number. Now enter your full name which you have used in your account. We need to add our ID over here as well. Once you have done, simply click on send over here. Now the Facebook will review your account and reactivate it if it was disabled by mistake and if it is your original account. So this is all we can do to recover our disabled account. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.